Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the multi-tool on Audacity. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Audacity application, which you can get on Google using any browser of your choice. Once you have downloaded and installed successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Audacity. So now we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is pretty much simple. How to use the multi-tool on Audacity. I'm going to show you in really few steps. So from here at this top corner, you're going to see this red button right here. I'm just going to click on that and record. So we're going to have a voice audio. Hello, this is Basic Value Channel, and just like the name sounds, we're going to bring value to you, maximum value in its simplest form. All you need to do is listen to this tutorial from top to bottom and you will be good to go. So click on stop, and now that we've clicked on stop, we have a voice audio now. Isn't that sweet? So now if you want to add the multi-tool on this, so you're going to check this, all right, this top left corner where you're going to see all of these tools right here, they're labeled. So here, this tool where you see the start tool, as you can see, it's labeled multi-tool. You can click on that or you can click on F6. So once you click on that, here you go. So what's the multi-tool used for? If you click on the multi-tool, then you can use all of the tools in one at the same time. It just helps you to manage all of the tools at the same time using the multi-tool. So now that we have clicked that, if you right click, all right, if you right click, you're gonna see that it's going to zoom out. All right, so right clicking means zooming out. All right, so I can now go ahead and click on this, and then I'm just gonna zoom in, and that's just it. So right click to zoom out. As you can see, it's now like spreading the frequency for me to see. So this also has the enveloping, so I'm just gonna have to click on that and click on that. No. So in this multi-tool, so let's say I am zooming in, and all of these things are just changing. And so as you can see, I can now envelope it. So all I'm just doing is just dragging the slider, so I can move this depending on how I want the frequency to be. So I can envelope the top part of it, to the top, and once you envelope it, of course, you're going to know the consequence of it. So all you just drag the slider down and bring the enveloping down or up. So as you can see, this multi-tool just allows you to, so as you can just dragging the slider, I've taken it up to this spot. While I'm clicking, my hand's actually on the left button of my mouse. So I'm just clicking that, and as you can see, it's enveloped or it's stretched. It's enveloped or it's stretched, depending on what you want. Multi-tool just gives you the luxury of expanding or just reducing the frequencies based on how you want your audio to sound. This is pretty much how you can use the multi-tool on Audacity. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.